Weathering and erosion. How do we know the Appalachians are 270 million years old? Glacial erosions. The Appalachians are made up of 3 different rocks. 1. Marine sedimentary rock. 2. Volcanic rock. 3. Ancient ocean floor. Weathering. Rocks are broken down into smaller pieces, become dirt, caused by 1. Water, freezes and thaws. 2. Chemical reactions. Chemical weathering. Rocks break down as a result of chemical reactions. Acid precipitation. Precipitation that is more acidic than normal. High level of acid that accelerates the weathering process of rocks. Example, caused by pollution because gases like sulfur oxides, carbon dioxides, nitrogen oxides, when combined with water, make acid rain. Water. Water dissolves sugar cube. Water can break down granite into sand and clay, known as sediment. pH equals power of hydrogen. Tells how acidic or basic a substance is. Scale is 1 to 14. 7 is neutral. Weathering. There are 2 types. There's chemical, which is the breakdown of rocks by a chemical reaction. This includes acid in living things. Lichens produce acid that breaks down rocks. Acid in ground. Groundwater contains sulfuric or carbonic acid. Water. Acid precipitation. Air. Oxygen in the air reacts with elements such as iron and forms oxide or rust, oxidation. The other type of weathering is mechanical, which is breakdown by physical means. There are 6 types: wind, water, gravity, plants and animals, and ice, which is abrasion, ice wedging, alternate freezing and thawing of water and rock that causes rock to break. Differential weathering. The process by which softer, less weather-resistant rocks wear away and leave harder, more dense rocks behind. Other factors that affect weathering. Surface area. Large surface area equals greater weathering rate. Climate. Average weather conditions in an area over a long period of time. Hot, humid weather accelerates weathering faster. Oxidation. Temperature. Colder climates experience more ice wedging. Elevation. Temperature decreases at higher elevation and more gravity. Soil. A loose mixture of fragments, organic material, water, and air that can support the growth of vegetation. Where do these rock fragments come from? Parent rock. Rock formation that is the source of a mineral. There are 3 layers of soil. The top layer is the soil, the bottom layer is the residual soil, and the very, very bottom layer is the bedrock. Transported soil is soil that has been blown or washed away from parent rock. Vocab. Soil texture. Soil quality that is based on the proportions of soil. Example, sandy loam, made of sand, silt, and clay. Sand is 60%, silt is 30%, clay is 10%. Sand is less than 2.20 millimeters, but greater than 0.05 millimeters. Silt is less than 0.05 millimeters, but greater than 0.002 millimeters. Clay is 10% and is less than 0.002 millimeters, but greater than 0. Soil structure. The arrangement of particles. Humus. The dark organic material formed in soil from decayed remains of plants and animals. The purpose is to replenish the soil with nutrients. Decomposers. Bacteria, worms, maggots, fungus, sometimes animals. Soil conservation. A method to maintain the fertility of soil by protecting the soil from erosion and nutrient loss. Way to conserve soil is crop rotation. Erosion. The process by which wind, water, ice, or gravity transport soil from one location to the other. The big question. What is weathering? Weathering is the process by which a parent rock is broken down into smaller fragments by chemical or land mechanical means.